Hey everybody, it's your girl Sheila, Promostk, Sheila's Creations Way. That's Promostk, Sheila's Creations Way. We're making Soul Food Sunday dinner. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. Promostk, Sheila's Creations Way. And we're going to be eating it at Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. Please join us. All right, you guys, it's your girl Sheila, and it's Sunday, and I am about to make Sunday's meal. I'm going to be making some kale, and the meat that I have in the kale is what I just pictured. It is neck bones. You guys know anything about some neck bones? It's from pork neck bones. And then I have here, let me show you. I have here, can y'all see that? I got some pork steak, which I haven't had since my kids was away in college. It's been so long, but I had some taste for some pork, and they didn't have chicken breasts, so I opted on this. And then they had some kale on sale. So we got some kale, you guys. And I'm gonna make up some goodies, and you guys are gonna see what all I'm gonna be making for the Sunday's meal. Woohoo! All right, you guys, these are the seasonings that I put in my boiling water with my fresh neck bones. And once the neck bones boil down to tender, to Sheila Creations tender, I'm gonna add my kale. Y'all can see this good old neck bone, how it's just boiling up, and you can see that brothiness in it already. We'll do a little stirry stir. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, that is looking so good. All right, you guys, just checking in so y'all see what's going on. All right, you guys, y'all see how this meat the water has boiled down, as the meat's cooking, and it is good and tender. Now it's time to add the kale. All right, you guys, got the kale all in there. They're having a party with these smoked neck, well, they're not smoked, I'm sorry, with these fresh neck bones, if y'all can see. I've been pushing them down. And kind of like cabbages, they wilt too, so these are gonna shrink up. And I didn't put any more extra seasoning in it. My water's already seasoned with that meat. Y'all saw everything that went, that I said was gonna go in here and that meat. So nothing additional went in there that I hadn't said was going in there. So once this cooks down and it's good and tender, if it needs any more additional seasoning, I'll put something else in there. But as far as right now, everything in here is having a party, and they just waiting on the mac and cheese. No, I'm sorry. They just waiting on the spaghetti and cheese. And they're waiting on the pork steak. We'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, these are all the ingredients that's gonna go on the pork steak. You guys see all the ingredients. I'm just gonna slice up that white onion and slice up some bell peppers and put on there. And then I'm gonna put all my seasonings on top of that so that all my bell pepper and onions are all seasoned. You guys, I got all the seasonings on here, and what I'm gonna do next is take a half a stick of butter, pure butter, half a stick of butter, and just dot it around each corner. I'll put it in the oven for 350 for probably about an hour, and I will leave it uncovered. I will put just a little bit of water in the pan, like maybe a quarter cup of water in the pan. All right, so next time you see this dish, it'll be done. All right, it's all added in there, the butter and the water. You guys, so I just put the veggie spaghetti noodles in the boiling water, and we're getting ready to get this party started. All right, you guys, got the noodles straining in a bowl, and we're gonna get the party started. All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to transfer some of the noodles into the bowl that we're gonna cook it in. Half, I did 2 packs. Usually I saw the 2 12 ounces. So that's my first layer. And I'm gonna put cheese on top of that while it's good and hot. I'm just gonna pour some over there because we'll probably end up using this 2 pounds, total of 8 cups. So 8 cups, probably use like maybe half of this bag, y'all. Just gonna mix that up real quick. Put that up in there. Go ahead and put my cauliflower in the noodles while they're hot. And these cauliflowers are still frozen because once it goes in the oven, it's not gonna take long. See that? It's not gonna take long. Okay. And then I have my stick of butter. And this is a salted stick of butter. I'm just gonna cut up pats in it because it is so hot, it'll just melt. Just put like half the stick in there for now. Yeah. And do a little mixy mix again. Yeah. Stir that up. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now is put sour cream, and in this it's a 24-ounce sour cream, but we're not going to put that. I probably have about this much of this container that I'm going to put all this sour cream in. So you're looking at probably like a half a cup. Where's my spoon? Here it is. We're going to put a half a cup, you guys, of this sour cream in there. At least that's what it looks like to me, to be a half a cup. And we have this ricotta. This ricotta cheese right here. I don't know who likes ricotta or who doesn't, but I don't think it's gonna have much flavor once it's in here. So you guys can opt out on it if you want, or not. If you like lasagna and you like it in your lasagna. So this right here is a 15 ounce, so I use half of it. Okay. And then of course, you know, we're doing this, the reason why this is being made this way, because we're on the healthy kick. We're on the healthy kick, y'all. And just because you're eating healthy don't mean you don't eat good, okay? All right. Now, we're gonna take our almond milk right here, unsweetened almond milk. And to this almond milk, I'm actually using this sour cream container right here. And I'm gonna pour, like, I'm gonna do this twice, y'all. I'm gonna pour like about half in there, well, a little over half, and I'm gonna put 3 eggs in there. 3 eggs, 3 raw eggs. 1, 2, and 3. need my little fork to kind of mix that up. I'm gonna work that yolk. And the reason why you want to put the egg in the cold milk before you put it in your hot noodles, because you don't want to have scrambled eggs. All right, so we're just gonna pour this over inside. You pull it back here. Just gonna pour this over inside. Here you go. Egg and all, egg and all, egg and all. And I will finish mixing that egg up in there. Okay. I don't know what it is about egg. I know some people make macaroni and cheese without egg. I only know of one way to do it, and that's with egg. And since we're doing spaghetti and cheese, we're gonna do the egg. Mix it up all real good. Real good in there. All right. There. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put my paprika for color. Go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm gonna put me some more cheese on top of that. And we're gonna do a little mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Yeah. Mixy, mixy, mixy. And we're not putting any salt in here because we already used the salted butter. And I did put salt in my water when I boil the noodles. So you're not gonna need that in here. Normally I would lay this out and put it in a pan, but I got these little new bowls, so I want to try it out and actually see if it's oven safe. It says it's oven safe. And then plus I already have a pan, which is my pork steaks in the oven, and I want to make sure I have enough room because both of these are going to have to go in there and bake. Y'all see that? Now, I use probably a little more. I got 3 eggs in there now, y'all. But I still have some more noodles left. And let's see just about how much. Okay. I don't know how much more noodles I can put in here. But I'm going to go ahead and put the last of these noodles, y'all. Put the last of these noodles in there. Mix them up in here. Yeah. Y'all probably saying, what is that girl doing? Now I gotta put the last of my pat of butter, since that's the last pat of that. The last pat of butter. And then we're gonna do the repeat of our eggs. Repeat of our eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs, and 3 eggs. And now, since I already have it in here by itself and I haven't put the milk in there, I'm going to go ahead and mix those eggs up real good. See that? Mix that real good. And then I'll add my almond milk. This time I'll just put half. Before I put like 3/4 of it. This time it's half. Do another mixy mix. And we're gonna pour this over. Egg mixture on top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. And we're gonna do another mix. We want to make sure everything gets all mixed up in here real nice and good. We're gonna, and then I'm gonna do the top layer of cheese, and then we are going to put it in the oven. It's gonna be in the oven with the meat, y'all. So it'll be in the oven for about an hour, so everything gets all melty good. Okay. And then I'll put my last layer of cheese on top. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I can tell. Got a little pat of butter over there. Okay. There. Put my last bit of cheese on top. All right. So that 8 cup, I probably used, you guys, about 6 cups of that cheese. Yeah. All right. That's gonna be a happy camper. All right. Y'all see this? Y'all see that? Ooh, and it's heavy too. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good. All right, you guys, so next time you see this, it's gonna be out of the oven. I will sprinkle just a little bit of paprika on top. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little. There we go. And it's gonna go in the oven for 350. So good, y'all.